Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have an Anker Soundcore Motion Boom Plus A3129 speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You'll want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting if this speaker is not working because it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you decide you just can't get it fixed and you want to get a new speaker, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good speaker at a good price. But anyways, the second reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you want to delete all of the pairing history so that you can set this up basically like it's a new speaker coming out of the box. It's super easy to do. All we need to do on this speaker is come in and first of all turn it on using the power button. Once we do that, then we just need to come and press and hold the volume up and the Bluetooth button simultaneously for about 5 to 8 seconds. And after about 5 to 8 seconds, the speaker will reset, at which point we can just go ahead and set this speaker up like it's a brand new speaker coming out of the box.